So guys, hello guys, magluto tayo ng gulay. So ayan guys, luto na ang ating gulay. So ayan guys, gulay-gulay lang tayo ngayon guys. Meron tayong broccoli, celery, ayan, green pepper, at saka carrot. Ayan guys, thank you for watching. Niluto lang natin siya guys. Sa konting butter, konting olive oil, garlic, saka onions. So, again guys, thank you for watching and for your support. Let's eat. Paluto na to guys. It's done. So, lagyan na natin ng green onions guys. Ayan, masarap yan guys, ang green onions. Ayan, so ayan guys. Kailangan siyang malambot guys kasi alam mo naman, mga senior na tayo, kailangan yung soup na sa atin, yung malambot na. So, thank you guys for watching. Lagay na natin dito sa plato. So, ayan na guys.